We just started and we're going up a very steep hill. I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's steep. Let's keep going. Obviously, this trail is steep to get to the falls. Look at this innocent bystander. Not really a bystander because she is willingly and voluntarily going up the hill. Come on, let's go. Let's keep going. Let's get some side views. Oh yeah, this is beautiful. And it's not hot. Oh my gosh, she got a burst of energy. Where is this coming from? Come back. Okay. She gave out again. Charlie got excited. Okay, let's keep going. Oh, she's off again. She's off. She's leaving, buddy. Her and Charlie, what are you guys doing? What's happening? Okay, let's keep going. Look at this incline, y'all. We're still going up an incline. Oh my gosh. We're gonna be okay though. Oh my. She's talking about, look at this pretty mushroom, and now it's turned over, guys. What's happening?
Let me turn it back.
What's happening? It looks like the mushroom I showed you.
It's because I keep.
What's happening here?
Made it back.
Well, we're gonna keep going up this incline, y'all. I mean, it seems like we're just gonna be going up an incline the whole time. So far we have, but maybe we'll get further up and then we'll get like even out or go down. Oh my gosh, she's running again. And so is Charlie. Okay, let's stop. Charlie, what are you doing? I love the colors of the leaves. So pretty. Look at it. Oh yeah. It's beautiful. She's running again. Okay, maybe not. Okay. Yeah, look at these leaves. Beautiful. Look at them. They are ready to leave. They power walking now. Charlie and London. Look at this, guys. This is how far elevation we are. I mean, it's not that high, but it's high enough, and it felt high going up, didn't it, London? What do you have to say?
How you doing?
Okay, let's keep going. I think it's more fun going down. London is out of here like FloJo. I'm trying not to fall on these slippery rocks and stairs. And Charlie is way ahead too. They're like literally running down. I don't know how they're doing it without slipping. I've almost fell like 3 times already. Ooh. Ooh. This is gonna be a good trail for Halloween. No. She said she need a break.
Yeah.
Ha ha ha. What are you doing?
I'm taking a break.
We are at the end of this trail, y'all. And let me tell you, going down the hill was like ankle breaking, like for real. But we're at the end, and now we're on our way to go see maybe like 1 or 2 covered bridges like Beetlejuice. All right, let's go. Hey guys, here is the covered bridge. It's so cool. Really nice. London didn't want to come. She missing out. That's so cool. Alright. Then you can see it that way. Okay. We're going to the soda pop, please. Alright guys. We are here at the pop shop. London is gonna check out what they have in there, and I hope it's good. This is the brownie sundae, y'all. Good. All up on that thing. And then here's Charlie's little ice cream cup that she's gonna devour, that she's hoarding over. Here's my fluffy Coke.